Hello class, welcome back to your maths class. So kids, today we have to do subtraction. Today we have to do subtraction of units of weight. Okay, so let us start. We have to do subtraction of kg and grams. Okay. So, subtraction of kg and gram. Now, we have to see what kind of question we are going to do in this exercise. So, here we are having we have to find the difference. First is with regrouping and other one is without regrouping. Two things are here. Okay, with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay. So first thing that we have to see is the places where we need to subtract. Okay, first thing we have to see where do we need to subtract. Okay, so let us understand this with the help of an example. Okay, now so who is he? He is Ram and he has 4 kg mango. Ram has 4 kg mango. Okay. Now who is she? He is Ram and he has 4 kg mango. And who is she and why she is upset? Tell me why she is upset. Because she is upset because Ram has 4 kgs mango and she has none. She don't have any mango. So Ram, being very generous, what he does? He gave some mangoes to her. Her name is Ritu. Her name is what? Ritu. Ram has 4 kg mango. Okay. Ram has 4 kg mango. Okay. And Ritu have no mango. So what happened? Ram felt very bad about Ritu. And what he does? He gave some mango to Ritu. He gave 2 kg mango to Ritu. Now, how much mangoes are left with Ram? Ram has 4 kg mango. He gave 2 kg mango to Ritu because she was sad. She was sad because she doesn't have any mango. So, now how much mango is left with Ram? So, total amount of mango Ram has equals to 4 kg. And how much amount he has given to? How much mangoes he has given to Ritu? 2 kg. 2 kg mango what happened? He has given to Ritu. So what we will do? We will subtract. Now 4 minus 2 we will get 2 kg. Now this question is very easy. Let us take another question. Okay, let us move towards the next question. Now who is she? Who is she? She is Radha. She is Radha. So what happened? Radha bought 2 kg 800 gram of potato. Okay? Radha bought 2 kg 800 gram of potato. She is Radha and she has bought 2 kg 800 gram of potato, out of which she used, these are the potato, and out of these potatoes she used 1 kg 200 gram. Total potato she had was 2 kg 800 gram, and the quantity of potato she used 1 kg 200 gram. Now 2 kg 800 gram potato था, कितना यूज किया? 1 kg 200 ग्राम पोटैटो इन्होंने क्या किया? यूज कर लिया। अब कितना पोटैटो उनके पास बचा? अब राधा के पास कितना पोटैटो बचा? अगर उसने 2 kg 800 ग्राम में से 1 kg 200 ग्राम पोटैटो यूज कर लिया तो व्हाट वी विल डू? देखो अभी हो क्या रहा, हमारे पास ज्यादा है, 2 kg 800 ग्राम हमारे पास था, उसमें से राधा ने क्या किया? 1 kg 200 ग्राम यूज कर लिया। ठीक है, तो अभी कितना पोटैटो बचा? कितना पोटैटो बचा उसमें से? पोटैटो बचा, कैसे पता चलेगा? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, let's see. So here we are having 2 kg 800 ग्राम, इतना पोटैटो उसके पास था। इसमें से उसने कितना यूज किया? इसमें से उसने यूज किया 1 kg 200 ग्राम। है ना? Now what we will do? We will subtract. What we will do? We will subtract. Come on, do the subtraction. Come on, do the subtraction. So we'll start from this place. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. And 2 minus 1, 1. So quantity of potato left with Radha is 1 kg 600 gram. 1 kg and 600 gram. 1 kg 600 gram of potato is left with Radha. Okay. Okay. Now let us move toward some real question. Real question of subtraction. Now, first of all, the question that we are going to do are the question that is without regrouping. Okay. First of all, the questions we are going to do are the question that is without regrouping. Can we start? Okay. Now, so the one question is, difference. Find the difference. First question is 9 kg 657 gram and 5 kg 235 gram. 5 kg 235 gram. Now how we will subtract? What are the steps for subtraction? How we are going to subtract? First of all, we have to arrange these number in column wise method, है ना? First of all, we have to arrange these number in column wise method, and then what we can do? Then we can subtract. So the first thing is kg, and at a distance we have to write gram, kg and then gram. Then what we will do? Like in addition, we were noting down the the values. Similarly, we will note down the values here also. So first we will note down 9 kg 657 gram minus 5 kg 235 gram. Okay, come on, let us subtract. So we will start subtracting from this place, that means rightmost place. We will start subtracting from the rightmost place. Okay. Now at the rightmost place we are having 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5. How much is left? 2. So here we will write 2. Here we are having 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. We are left with 2. 6 minus 2. 6 finger and 2. How much we will get? 4. And at this place we are having 9 minus 5. We will get 4. So our answer is 4 kg 422 gram. Note it down, come on. Note it down. Okay. So the next question we are going to take is 8 kg 905 gram. 8 kg 905 gram. Subtract 3 kg 401 gram. Okay, 8 kg 905 gram, 3 kg 401 gram. This we have to subtract. Okay, let's see. First of all, we will make two heading, kg and gram. So what we will do? We will write here 8 and 905. 8 kg I mean, and 905 gram. And we have to subtract 3 kg 401 gram. Okay. Come on, do the subtraction. Now do this question yourself. Come on, do this question yourself. Come on. Start from rightmost place. Start from this place. So here we will get 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 we will get 4. Now 0, 0, 0. Now here we are having 9 minus 4. So what we will do? 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 and we will get 5. Now this place we are having 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. How much you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3 you will get 5. So, your answer for this question is 5 kg 504 gram. Five kg 504 gram. Okay. Come on, write it down. Completed? Okay. Moving toward the next question. Next question we are having. Okay. See. Okay, now. So, who is he? He is a boy and his name is Ravi. Okay, let's name him Ravi. And he is also a boy. He doesn't seem like a boy though, but he is a boy. He is also a boy, seems like a butterfly. So his name is Ravi. His name is Ram. Ravi weight is 78 kg 450 gram. Okay, Ravi's weight is 78 kg 450 gram. And now weight of Ram is 24 kg 340 gram. Now my question is, whose weight is more and by how much? So two boys are here, Ravi and Ram. Ravi's weight is 78 kg 450 gram and Ram's weight is 24 kg 340 gram. Now the question arises, whose weight is more and by how much? Whose weight is more and by how much? Okay. Now what we will do? Two boys are here. दोनों का weight दे दिया. Now they are asking you कि किसका वेट ज्यादा है और कितना ज्यादा है, क्या करेंगे, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो greater unit is 78 kg 450 gram. So we will write that first. First of all we will write kg and gram. Then we will write 78 kg 450 gram. From there we have to minus 24 kg 340 gram. 78 kg 450 gram. From there we have to minus 24 kg 340 grams. Let us subtract. Sure, let us subtract. Now, so here 0 minus 0 you will get 0 minus 0 we will get 0. Next we are having 5 minus 4. So subtracting 4 from 5 we will get 1. Next is we are having 4 minus 3. So now subtracting 1, 2, 3 from 4 we will get 1. Let us write there. Acha, at this place, at kg's place we are having, first we are having 8 minus 4. How much you will get? 8 minus 4. You will get 4. Okay. Now next we are having 7 minus 2. Next place what we are having? 7 minus 2 and you will get 5. So that means Ravi weighs more by 54 kg 110 gram. Ravi weight is more by 54 kg and 110 gram. Got it? Now, up to now the question that we have done, those questions are based on subtraction without regrouping. Next questions that I am going to take will be question with regrouping. Okay, where you have to take the borrow. Let us see. Process will be the same. Process will be the same. Okay, so the next question is, find the difference of 8 kg 635 gram, 8 kg 35 gram and 3 kg 724 gram. Now do the subtraction. Come on, do the subtraction. Completed? Let us see. First of all, we will write the heading, that is kg, and at a distance we will write gram. Now what? 8 kg 635 gram. From here we have to subtract 3 kg 724 gram. Do the subtraction. We will start from this place. Okay. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 we will get 1. We have written 1 here. Next is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 you will get 1. Acha. Now at this place we are having 6 and 7. So you cannot subtract 7 from 6. Can I? Here I am having 6 finger or 6 toffee or 6 chalk. So can I give you 7 chalk out of this 6 chalk? Suppose that these are the 6 chalks. So can I give you? No, I can't. So what I have to do? This number I have to take a borrow. Now this number will become 16. So the question that we will, and this number will become 7. So it will become 16 minus 7. Count after 7 to get 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 9. Okay. So we have written 9 here, 911. Now at this place we are having 7. 7 minus 3. We are having 7 minus 3. We will get 4. So my answer for this question is 4 kg 911 gram. 4 kg and 911 gram. Note it down. Completed? Now if I have to convert this 4 kg 911 gram into gram, what I have to do? If I have to convert that 4 kg 911 gram into gram, what I have to do in that case? Tell me. Okay. See what I have to do. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now 4 kg 911 gram equals to 4 kg plus 911 gram. 4 kg. Now we have to convert this 4 kg. 4 into 1000 gram plus 911 gram. So you will get 4000 gram plus 911 gram. 4000 plus 911. 4000 gram plus 911 gram. Do it. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 9 and 4. So our answer is 4911 gram. This is what? This is our answer. Okay. So today we have done up to here. Now tomorrow we will continue with the same topic.